In this tutorial, we will see that how you can get LinkedIn Premium for free in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, from your desktop, you can open this LinkedIn app. After opening it, if you scroll a bit more, you will find here these type of ads, jobs, where you are top applicant. It will show you this try premium now. You can simply click on that try premium now, or you can click on this right upper side, try premium now. Click on that and it will take you to this page here where you can select are you interested in premium for work or personal use. You have to select here the first one. I would use premium for my personal goals and click next. Then you have to select how would you like premium to help. You can select to job search with confidence and get hired. Select it and click next. Select most important in your job search and next. It will take you to this page here where you have to select this career. If you click on that career, you will find here this page. Candidate with premium career get hired an average of 2.6 as fast. You can try it from 0. You can simply click on that try now for PKR 0 and after 1 month free trial, it will start charging you. This was the first method. For the second method, from your LinkedIn, you can simply search for LinkedIn Premium and search it. Here you will see this header, post people jobs. Click on that post and from the sort bar, open it and select latest. Show results. Here it will show results where people are offering 6 months premium by just doing simple tasks. If you scroll it down, you will find so many opportunities to get LinkedIn Premium for free in just few easy steps. So that's how you can get LinkedIn Premium for free in just few easy steps.